Hi, Geordie Dave here. Welcome to Allotment Update 2. Okay, a little bit of a tour. There's my son Rob. Rubbish there, all ready to go for a skip when we get it. As you see, a big pile there. We've cleared some of this area and it's going to be a hell of a lot more to do. We think that's all rubbish under there and we've got to get it level. We'll walk along. Little temporary path down there for it at the moment. We've got a hole there where the greenhouse used to be. We don't know why there was a hole in the middle of the greenhouse, but we're going to fill that in soon. You'll see a few piles of weeds what we've got around. You see, we are eventually getting there. Pile of wood, that's all going to get stacked in the top corner there. Lots of this blue stuff, what we found under the pile of rubbish, and out here is just piles of weeds and all that, so which I'm going to have to pile up, put a tarpaulin over till it dries out, and then I can look at burning it. So yeah, quite a size allotment. I don't know what it is in acres, probably an acre, and that's looking at it up that way, up towards the shed. Me and Rob's been working on it for a few hours a day. Got to thank my other son and his mate who was in yesterday doing a lot of the hard work, digging all this stuff up. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and please thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll give you another update next week.